Greetings everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add custom HTML to Shopify homepage. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So first of all, what do we need to do is to add a custom HTML to Shopify. You need to head over to your online store. From the left side, you can see the sales channel and click on this black customize button. Eventually, you will be able to direct it or head over to your web builder section, and here we need to click on these three dots on the top, and then we need to click on this edit code option. Once we are good to go, you can see we are going to be waiting for a couple of seconds. And here you can see we have everything being shown up. So here we can incorporate our custom HTML to Shopify homepage, and that, my friend, is going to be completing our process. So pretty simple, no rocket science here. And if you liked it, make sure to share it with your friends. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.